Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our YouTube channel. We have created these statute pages to help you understand Missouri law and the possible charges you may be facing. If you have any questions, please call us for free at 314-900-HELP. This video provides details and a definition for Missouri Statute 302.309. Helps people get their license back or drive for important needs. If your license is suspended or revoked in Missouri, this law explains how to get it back or apply to drive for work, school, or medical reasons, even if you're not fully reinstated yet. 1. When a license suspension ends, the Director of Revenue must return your license as long as you meet all insurance requirements in Chapter 303. 2. If your license was revoked, you must apply for a new license after the revocation period ends, following the normal process. 3. Courts. The Director of Revenue, or a special commissioner, can grant limited driving privileges. You must apply in writing and explain why you need to drive. You may qualify if you need to drive for work or business, medical care, school or college, drug or alcohol treatment, visiting an ignition interlock provider, any reason that would cause undue hardship. You can apply in the county where you live or work. Applications must name the Director of Revenue and include a certified driving record. Proof of insurance is required. If you drive others for work, the vehicle's owner must have insurance, and you must carry proof. If your license was revoked for serious offenses, you can only get limited driving privileges if your car has a certified ignition interlock device with photo ID and maybe GPS tracking, depending on the case. The order granting the privilege must show when it ends and if an interlock device is required. You must carry a copy of this order when driving. Getting a new ticket that adds points to your record, except minor stop sign violations, ends the privilege. So does failing to keep insurance or the interlock device. The director will mail a termination notice if that happens. You're not eligible if your license was suspended or revoked because of a felony involving a car in the past 5 years, except leaving the scene under Section 577.060. Certain disqualifying rules in Section 302.060.1. Suspension from Section 302.302.1, 8 or 10, or Section 302.525.2. If you have a commercial driver's license, you can't get a limited privilege for a commercial vehicle. You can get one for a personal vehicle if eligible. If you're barred from getting a license for 10 years under Section 302.060.19, you may still apply for limited privilege if you show you're no longer a public safety threat. A court must grant it if you are otherwise eligible. Have an ignition interlock installed. Haven't had any alcohol violations since your last one. If you're barred for 5 years for 2 DWIs under Section 302.060.1, and haven't caused a death while driving drunk, you can also apply. You must show safe habits, install an interlock, and have no new alcohol offenses. But if you were permanently denied a license again after a restoration, you can't apply. A DWI court or docket under Section 478.007 may give a limited driving privilege to a participant or graduate who's normally ineligible. 4. If the Director of Revenue denies your application, you have 30 days from the date of the notice to ask the circuit court in your county or work county to review the decision. The review checks only if you met the legal requirements. 5. The director can make rules to apply this law, but those rules must follow all rulemaking laws. If those rulemaking laws are struck down, then this rulemaking authority is void too. Has your license in Missouri been suspended or revoked? At Combs Waterkotte, we handle traffic and license cases just like yours every day, and are committed to helping our clients get their driving privileges back.